Dear stamp lovers and philatelic friends, I've been collecting a lot of stamps and I have a huge collection. I've been collecting on thematic lines also. One of the thematic collection is on Children's Day. In India, we celebrate Children's Day on 14th November every year. This is called as Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday also. So on his birthday, we celebrate as Children's Day. So on this day, philately issues stamps pertaining to children. I have collected the series. You can just have a glance at it. Okay. Now you can see some of the Children's Day issue here. Okay. Now coming down, every year, almost every year, I have few years collection, not all the collection. Okay. Now you can see the date of issue over there at the bottom, mostly not visible. I think it looks like 2008. Okay, 2008 series. Okay, here you can see looks like 1979 Children's Day. All mixed up. I have to make it in a chronological age, also year after year. Okay. Happy Children's Day, you can see that. Okay, this is 1961, 1976. All mixed up. Children's Day, right. Okay, yeah. Some Children's Day stamps over here. Okay, I'm yet to find out where exactly they got date. Yeah, this you can see 1978 Children's Day. Okay, now let me go to the next page of the album of the Children's Day. Okay. There are few Children's Day stamps here also. Okay, now you can see 1980 Children's Day stamp. Okay, this is 2007 Children's Day stamp, and here you can see Children's Day stamp of 2010. Okay, some of the children's issues also have put it in this, so to be in one album. Any stamp issued on children I have put in this also. Okay, now you can see that also here. Okay, these are all children issues. Okay, coming back to Children's Day issue over here. Now you can see some stamps here of 1976. Okay, yeah, very nicely you can see 2009. This is again 2008 series of Children's Day. Yeah, nice stamp of 2010 Children's Day. Okay, this is 2011. This is 2013. This is a 2012. This is 2015. 2017 also you can see over here. Okay. Some of them are missing in the years of missing. We have 2018 also you can see over here. Okay. These are all called as the quadrant stamps. Quadrant stamps you can see very nicely of the same issue. 4 stamps in each collection. Okay, same issue, 4 stamps I have made. Okay, right. Okay, this is called as a miniature stamps issued on that day. It's a 2017 issue miniature stamp, you can see. Yeah, these are all called as the miniature stamps of Children's Day. Okay, quite a huge one more miniature stamp they have issued this way. Two stamps are in the middle. Okay, and the whole theme of a children is on the stamp, what you can see over here. Now you can see some more issues of Children's Day thematic collections over here. This is also what we call it as a miniature stamps. Okay. Nice miniature stamps on the Children's Day issue. So I'll blow it up and then show it a little bit. Okay. Now on the same day they used to issue the first day covers also on Children's Day. Some of the first day covers also I have got here. You can see it is 14/11/1964. As I said, it was Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. Normally it is celebrated as Children's Day on 14/11 every year. Okay. Yeah. Okay. See, 1962 issue of the Children's Day special, you can see. Children's Day special you can see over here. Okay. Now some more collections are there, like 1963. Okay, Children's Day cover. Okay, these are all the same. And then if you come down here, you can see Children's Day of 1966. 1966 first day cover. Okay, now further if you come down here, 2000, here 2000 first day cover. British Council Library is written over, but this is a Children's Day series. Okay, now clearly on this stamp you can see the postal mark and written as Children's Day celebration here. And now you can see one more long issue of the Children's Day stamp, first day cover. Okay, now you can see it is 2012, year 2012. Okay, nice one. And here also the same issue, but the stamp is entirely different here. Okay, now you can come down and see 2013 first day cover of the Children's Day issue. 13 Children's Day issue. Okay, now you can come to the other page. Now you can see here the Children's Day 2015. Okay, nicely done first day cover, painted. Okay, now still if you come down here, you can see 2016 Children's Day special first day cover, nicely done, and children playing with the father and mother. Nice one. Okay, now it's the same thing but a different stamp over here. Okay, and the same thing on a miniature collections first day cover. Huge one, miniature cover, first day cover. Okay, further you can see a beautiful one here, a Children's Day special of the year 2017. Okay, a bird nest is also given on this. Okay, the next issue is on the 2018 Children's Day. Nice one here. Right, so that covers the complete Children's Day album, right from 1962 to 2018. You saw Children's Day celebrations stamps. Thank you. If you all liked my video, please subscribe to my video and press the like button and go through all my other videos uploaded on the YouTube. Thank you.